Today we will be demonstrating how to prepare the Rusch FloCath Quick Kit for insertion. The Rusch FloCath Quick Kit is a pre-lubricated catheter designed for a comfortable, hassle-free insertion that may help decrease urinary tract infections. To begin, you will tear the main outer package to reveal the catheter insertion supplies and catheter itself. The insertion kit contains everything you need to maintain a sterile cathing process. Its contents include a refuse bag, a prep wipe, an optional urine collection bag, a sterile drape, lubricant packet, and latex-free gloves. The most important thing to remember before you open the catheter package is that you will need to activate the hydrophilic coating. Squeeze the silver saline packet with your thumb and fingers until you hear the packet bust and the liquid release into the watertight packet. Alternatively, you can fold the packet over on itself. This won't hurt the catheter. Or you can press down with the heel of your hand on the packet to release the saline. Wait roughly 30 seconds for the lubricant to fully activate. You can use this blue tab on the back to stick it to a wall while you wash your hands and wait. Your hydrophilic catheter is now ready for use. To open, simply open up the packaging and remove the catheter. No more worrying about additional lubricant or painful insertion. While holding the protective sleeve, simply proceed with your cathing process as normal, using the blue sleeve for a better grip and to keep your hands from touching the catheter. Your product specialist is here to help you if you have any additional questions. Feel free to talk to a live person by calling us toll-free at 877-688-2729 or view more resources online at 180medical.com.